Okay, good morning. So, how many students present?
Good morning, sir.
So, I'm taking the subject of metal cutting and forming. So, it is a continuation of MCW. So, you already studied about MCW, right? So, what is the full form of MCW? You already studied and written the exam, everything. So, what is the full form of MCW? Anyone?
Metal
Metal
casting and
casting and welding.
Metal casting and welding. Okay, so this is somewhat similar to that of subject. Okay, full theory subject. Some module is having problem and some module is having some little type of derivation is also. Okay, so and compared to other subject, this subject is easy. Okay, similar to that of EME. Okay, some of the portion whatever you studied in EME, that portion is also included in this subject. Okay, so this is metal cutting and forming chapter. Okay, so that is the subject name. Okay, so metal cutting means what? Metal cutting means what? So
Cutting the
based on the
metal.
dimension, so based on the dimension, cutting of the metal. Okay, so that is metal cutting operation. For cutting operation, so what are the device is required or tool is required
So
for cutting operation?
flame, gas cutting, flame cutting.
Okay, so these are the devices is used for metal cutting. Okay, and forming operation is nothing but what? What is the meaning of forming? So forming means what? Forming
Forming
is
a
nothing but deformation of the material. Deformation of the material, that is called as forming. Okay, deformation of the material is called as forming operation. So this whole subject is included metal cutting operation as well as forming operation. So cutting operation, you already discussed that cutting operation. Can you tell me the one device is used for metal cutting? You already studied about metal
lathe,
cutting operations. Lathe. Yes, good. Next.
gas cutting. No, welding. No, welding is like
Welding is different. So metal cutting is nothing but lathe. So different operation you are carried out and similar to that of. So next. So like that shaper machine. Okay, shaper machine is also there. Planer machine. So these are the different
drilling.
types of metal cutting operation. Okay. So these are the different types of metal cutting devices. Okay, so and different types of forming devices also we are going to study in this uh, subject. Okay, different types of forming operation also. Okay, so we'll see the syllabus of this subject. Okay, syllabus of this subject, then we'll discuss one by one. Okay, so first module is related to introduction to metal cutting. So introduction to metal cutting, it is included orthogonal cutting and oblique cutting, different types of cutting. Okay, next classification of cutting tools. So in the first module we are going to study about the different types of tools which are used for cutting operation. Like for example, one is single point cutting tool, multi-point cutting tool. Single point is nothing but only one tip point is there. Multi-point is nothing but number of tip point. Can you give me the example for multi-point cutting tool? Multi-point. So multi-point is nothing but anyone? Multi-point cutting tool.
So rectangular shape cutting.
So you already studied that type of cutting tool.
Okay.
So multi-point is nothing but grinding machine. Okay, grinding machine is having multi-point cutting tool. Okay, so single point is nothing but only one sharp edge is there. Multi-point cutting tool is nothing but number of cutting point is there to remove the excess of material. Okay, so that is called as multi-point cutting tool. Next, tool signature for the single point cutting tool. Tool signature is nothing but that standard notation for the cutting tools. So that is also there. And the mechanics of orthogonal cutting. So mechanics is nothing but some derivation is also included in in the first chapter. Okay, some derivation. And chip formation. Chip is nothing but what? So you already studied. What is the chip? Chip is nothing but what?
Excess of metal which is cutted from.
Yes, good, Abdul Bashir. Okay, so excess of material, that is called as chips. Okay, excess of material is called as chips. It is not your other chips. Okay, so you're eating some chips, right? That is not a chips. Here, chips is nothing but excess of material. Okay, that is called as chip formation. And shear angle. Shear angle is nothing but what? Shear angle. So tensile angle, compression angle. So I think you already studied in MOM, mechanics of material. So what is that? Shear stress, tensile stress, compressive stress. So similar different types of stress you already
Yes.
studied. So here shear stress is nothing but what? What is Shank? Shear stress is nothing but what? Anyone? Shear stress. Hmm? Shear stress is nothing but so rubbing action between two workpiece. Rubbing action take place between two workpiece. That is called as shear stress. Okay, shear stress. Okay. So next, here you are going to study about shear angle. So at what shear angle is at the workpiece and tool is coincide. Okay. So that angle also you are going to study in this chapter. Okay. Next, merchant circle diagram. Okay, merchant circle diagram. And numerical problem, simple numerical problem is also there based on the cutting tool and the workpiece and cutting tool material. So what are the cutting tool materials we are using and also its application. Okay, so little bit complicated chapter. This first module is little bit complicated chapter. So in first module it is included total two main parts. One is introduction to metal cutting and the second one is introduction to basic metal cutting machine tool. Okay, basic metal cutting machine tools. Okay, so introduction to metal cutting tools. So one is lathe. So lathe machine you already studied. So can you tell me the different operation which we can carry out in lathe? So different operation which we can carry out in lathe. Can you tell me?
Metal cutting.
Metal cutting. Operation, different operation. So is nothing but one is
Facing,
facing
turning.
and turning, knurling,
Thread.
taper turning.
Thread cutting.
These are the different thread cutting. These are the different operation of lathe. So that everything is there in first module. That is second part of first module. Okay, second part of first module, and various operation carried out in lathe. Okay, various operations. So first is parts of lathe machine. So parts of it is also called as what? So mother of cutting tool. It is a mother of cutting tool. Lathe is a mother of cutting tool, and accessories of lathe machine. So different parts of lathe machine and various operation. Everything is there in first module. And kinematic of lathe. Kinematic is nothing but what? So one of the subject is there for you, that is kinematics of machinery. So in that subject you are going to study about this. What is kinematics of lathe? Okay, kinematics of lathe. Again, once again, I will teach here also. Okay. Next, two types of different types of lathe is there: turret lathe as well as caption lathe. So that I think you not studied about this turret as well as caption lathe. Uh, previously. Okay, so this is the new concept for you. Okay, correct, as well as caption lathe. So first module is having total two main concepts. One is metal cutting operation, second one is basic metal cutting machine tools. Okay, so first one is related to derivation, and some problem is also there. Okay, so first is related to tool, different types of tools and application of tools, and the shear angle you are going to study, and merchant circle diagram, that tool signature for single point cutting tool, everything we are going to study in first module. Along with, in second part of first module is what? Lathe machine. Okay, different operation of lathe machine, accessories of lathe machine, and these are the topics covered. And two types of lathe machine also we are going to study in first module, that is turret as well as caption lathe. Okay, so next, module 2. So module 2, you just see the module 2 concept. So what are the concept is included? So first one is total 4 concept is there, that is milling machine, drilling machine, shaping machine, as well as grinding machine. These are the 4 concept is included in module 2. Okay, 4 concept. Milling machine. So you already studied about milling machine, right? So can you tell me what is the use of milling machine? So what is the use of milling machine?
To remove material.
So
Excess.
to remove excess material. Okay. So here, which one is moving and which one is stationary? Prajwal Suresh. Prajwal Suresh. Prajwal Suresh. Which one is stationary and which one is moving here? Which one is rotary? Prajwal Suresh is not there. Then Jagat
Vertical is
Shetty.
moving. Vertical
Jagat
is moving
Shetty.
and horizontal is stationary.
Which one is rotating and which one is stationary?
Uh,
Jagat.
yes, sir.
Tell me. You already studied, right?
Yes, sir.
In which subject you
Milling.
studied?
Huh?
In which subject you studied about milling machine?
Milling machine. Your subject only, sir. First sem.
My subject.
Yes, sir.
Which is my subject?
Mechanical engineering.
Mechanical. Okay. So milling. Tell me.
Milling, sir.
Milling.
Stationary.
What is that milling? Milling machine.
Milling machine. Sir, it is it cuts the excess of the gives the shape and all.
Cutter. Okay. So milling machine is a multi-point cutting tool. Here, milling cutter is rotating. Milling cutter is rotating, and workpiece is stationary. Okay, workpiece is not rotating. Okay, here rotating is which one? Multi-point cutting tool. Tool is rotating. Workpiece is just moving forward as well as backward direction for giving feed. Okay, so that purpose we are using that table. Okay, so workpiece is placed above the table, and table is moving forward as well as backward direction, or upward as well as downward direction. So here multi-point cutting tool is using, that is continuously rotate with the help of motor. Okay, so here various type of milling operation we are going to study. So what is that various type of milling operations? So end milling and face milling and the form milling, straddle milling and gang milling. These are the various type of milling operation. And classification of milling machine, vertical as well as horizontal milling. Two types of milling machine is there in your syllabus, horizontal as well as vertical. Okay. So next, the principle of milling machine, up milling as well as down milling. So what is up milling as well as what is down milling? So this is also we already discussed. So up milling is nothing but, so cutter is rotating in clockwise direction. Like cutter is rotating in clockwise direction, and the workpiece is moving from left side to right side, and lift the
So not
workpiece
audible.
upward direction. What happened? What happened? Lift the workpiece in upward direction. Up milling is nothing but lift the workpiece in upward direction, and down milling is nothing but what? So it is downward force is acting with the help of cutter. That is called as down milling. Next one is indexing. Okay, indexing. So indexing mechanism is nothing but, so divide the workpiece into equal number of parts. Okay, dividing the workpiece into equal number of parts, that mechanism is called as indexing mechanism. Okay, indexing mechanism. These are the different types of indexing: simple, compound, and differential indexing. So various type of indexing mechanism is also there in second module. Okay, so audible, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Audible, right? Okay. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
milling, so second module, so milling operation is there, the various milling operation and classification of milling machine, and two types of milling machine, vertical as well as horizontal milling. So this is already studied. Till here you already studied. Okay, so indexing mechanism is different. Okay, indexing mechanism is different. So indexing is nothing but what? Dividing the workpiece into equal number of parts. So while explanation, I will explain later. Okay, what is indexing, and with the help of sketch I will explain clearly. Okay, what is indexing, what is the use of indexing, and different types of indexing mechanism. Okay, so next one is drilling machine. So what purpose we are using drilling operation? Drilling is nothing but what?
To
Anyone?
make holes.
To create hole. Okay, so to create hole we are using drilling machine. So difference between drilling, boring, and reaming operation we are going to study in second module. So drilling is nothing but creating a hole. Boring is nothing but enlarging the hole. Okay, enlarging the hole. And reaming is also similar to that of boring. So it is also used for enlarging the hole. So first creating the hole. Okay, first creating the hole with the help of drill bit. Okay, drill bit is a tool which it is continuously rotate with the help of motor. Okay, so drill tool will be continuously rotate with the help of motor, and it will remove the excess, remove the material from the workpiece and creating hole. Okay, that operation is called as drilling operation. Okay, creating a hole in the workpiece, that operation is called as drilling operation. So boring is nothing but enlarging the hole. So once you create the hole, we can enlarge it, or is nothing but increasing the diameter of the hole with the help of boring tool. Okay, with the help of boring tool. So reaming also similar to that of boring. Okay, reaming is also used for enlarging the hole. Okay, next type of drilling machine. So different types of drilling machine, radial drilling machine, horizontal drilling machine, like that different types of drilling machine is there, and gang drilling machine, and like that. Okay, so different types of drilling machine we are going to study, and boring operations and boring machines. So different types of boring operation and boring machine also you are going to study in second module. This is a second concept in second module. Okay, second concept in second module. And the third one is shaping operation. So this year, yeah, you have one lab. So two lab you have. So anyone knows? So which lab you are going to study in this semester? This semester, two lab is there. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
So two lab is there this semester. So in that one lab is related to same concept. Okay, shaping, lathe machine as well as milling machine. That is nothing but workshop technology. Okay, workshop technology. So in the workshop, you are going to study about filing operation. Filing is nothing but removing the excess of material. Okay, so with the help of files, different files. Okay, filing tool. Okay, it is called as filing tool. And then lathe operation, different lathe operation also we are going to study in workshop technology, and milling operation and shaping operation. Along with shaping operation, so you are going to study the welding operation. Okay, so that is called as workshop technology. So workshop technology is included all these operation. So shaping is nothing but giving shape to the material. Okay, so in that shaping machine, you can carry it out with a different operation, like producing the slot in the workpiece. Okay, V slot, U slot, and different types of L type of slots. Slots is nothing but you can create slots in the workpiece, keyway slots, like that. Okay, so this mainly shaping machine is using. So planing machine as well as slotting machine is similar to that of shaping machine. Okay, planing as well as slotting machine is similar to that of shaping machine. Okay, so there is no difference, much difference between shaping, planning as well as slotting machine. Understood? So, and machining operation and operating parameter you're going to study in second module. And last one is grinding operation. So grinding is nothing but removing the excess of material and produce a smooth finished workpiece. Smooth finished workpiece, that is called as grinding operation. So these are the different types of grinding operation and classification of grinding process, cylindrical grinding process, surface and centerless grinding process. So total how many concept is there in second module? Total 4 concepts. First one is milling machine, drilling machine, shaping machine, and grinding machine. Okay. So next, third module. So third module is also a little bit complicated. So similar to that of first module. So in this module, you have derivation, small derivation. So small derivation along with problem is also there. Okay, so you are going to study about the cutting tool and cutting tool time. So machining time is how much and the feed rate is how much. So cutting speed is how much. Tool life of the tool is how much. Everything we are going to calculate and derive the equation with the help of some standard formulas. Okay, some standard formulas. So module 3 is included what? Introduction to tool wear mechanism. Okay, tool wear mechanism. So how wear will happens during the cutting operations. So friction is also considered here. So while removing the excess of material, there is a wear and tear will happens between workpiece and the tool. Okay, due to that, the life of tool will be reduces. So how we can increase the improve the life of tool as well as the smooth finishing you will get. So that everything we are going to study in this module. Okay. So based on that, cutting fluid is nothing but lubricants we are supplying. During the removing of excess of material, lot of heat will be generated. Okay, so lot of heat will be generated. So to, in order to reduce the heat, we can use different types of cutting fluids. Okay, cutting fluids. So different types of cutting fluids and what is the use of that cutting fluids, everything we are going to study in third module. And economics of machining process. Okay, economics of machining process, choice of cutting speed and feed, tool life for minimum cost and maximum production time. So some numerical problem is also there in module 3. Okay, so in module 3, what are the concept is there? One is, so how tool wear mechanism. So we are going to study about wear mechanism and tool life equation. So and once you derive that equation, so some problem you are going to solve. Okay, and economics of machining process. So minimum, how to reduce the cost of tool. Okay, and improve the production time. So improve production time is nothing but produce a certain quantity of item with less time. How to produce the production of material with less time. So everything we are going to study in this module, and some numerical problem is also there. Okay, so this is related to module 3. So first 3 module is based on metal cutting. Okay, first 3 module is based on metal cutting, and the remaining 2 module is related to metal forming operation. Okay, so metal cutting is nothing but so cutting of material with the help of tool. Okay, so first module is related to tool geometry. Okay, so second module is nothing but different types of cutting machine. Okay, cutting machine is available. That is nothing but drilling, milling, and grinding as well as lathe machine. So these are the different types of, and shaping machine. Okay, these are the different types of machines available for metal cutting operation. Okay, so next one is forming operation, and third module is related to so what happens if wear and tear happens during the process. Okay, so how to reduce the cost and improve the production time. Everything we are going to study in module 3. Okay, module 3. Next, module 4 as well as module 5 is related to forming operation. Okay, forming operation. So module 5. So first we'll see about module 5. So module 5 is nothing but sheet metal operation. Okay, different types of sheet metal operation we are going to study in module 5. Okay, so blanking operation, piercing operation, punching operation, drawing operation, draw ratio, draw force. So how much force is required to remove the excess of material in the sheet metal? Everything we are going to study in this module. Okay, next one is bending operation. So bending. So bending. Bending operation, different types of bending operation is there. So types of bending dies. So dies is nothing but it is similar to that of anvil. So anvil is, all of you know, right? In F&F lab, you already seen the anvil structure. Okay, so that is nothing but base for to carry out several operations. That is called as dies. Okay, different types of bending dies and bending force calculation and embossing and coining operation. So this is there in module 5. And types of dies. So different types of dies is also there in module 5. That is progressive die, compound die, and combination dies. Okay, progressive, compound as well as combination dies. This is the brief introduction about module 5. Sheet metal operation. Okay, sheet metal operation. So anyone tell me the thickness of sheet? Sheet metal, you know, right? Sheet metal. Okay, so what force is required to remove the excess of material of sheet? So everything we are going to study in this module. Okay, and bending force and shear force, everything we are going to study in module 5. That is related to forming operation. And the next, this is module 4 is also related to forming operation. Okay, module 4 is also related to forming operation. So here total 4 concept is there in module 4. One is metal working of metal, mechanical working of metals. So this is the introduction of formings process. Okay, introduction of forming process. Next one is forging and rolling and drawing and extrusion process. Okay, so 4 concept: forging, rolling, drawing as well as extrusion process. So these are the 4 concepts is there in module 4. So I already given the brief introduction about this chapter. Now anyone tell me, so which module is easy and which module we are going to study first? Anyone?
Module 5, sir.
Okay, module 5 is very easy, and
Module 2.
module 2 is also easy. Okay, so module 5 is sheet metal. It is related to forming operation. Okay, so anyone, any suggestion?
For module 3, should we start from module 3?
Module 3 is related to like wear mechanism. Okay, and friction and all. It is coming like that. So before
Sir,
starting module 3, tell me,
sir,
Prajwal.
do anything like only theory related, sir. Like later, if offline classes starts, then you do problems.
Problem, first module as well as third module is having problem. Remaining 3 module is not having problem, and module 5 is also having problem. That is very simple problem. It is nothing but hardly it is having total 5 problem. Okay, 5 varieties of problem in module 5. So module 2 as well as module 4 is not having problem.
Sir,
We'll
in
start
module
from module 5, sir.
Hmm?
Module 5 will start.
Module, okay.
5.
So I will tell you my suggestion. So I'm thinking like that. One is 2 parties there. One is metal cutting as well as forming. Okay, metal cutting is nothing but 3 module. First 3 module is related to metal cutting operation. So next metal forming is nothing but module 4 as well as module 5. So compared to metal cutting operation, metal forming is very easy. Okay, so compared to metal cutting operation, metal forming is very easy. So first I will go to finish the metal forming operation. So that is nothing but module 4 as well as module 5. Okay, module 4 is not having problem. Okay, so that first I will finish module 4, then I will finish module 5. Okay, so you can complete the metal forming operation. Okay, metal forming operation is finished. Next I will come to Module 2. Module 2. Why? Because that is a very simple chapter in metal cutting operation. So you already, some of the portion you already studied. So, but a little bit lengthy chapter. Why? Because 4 different types is there. So 4 different concept is there. That is nothing but milling operation, drilling operation, and shaping operation, and grinding operation. So 4 different concept is there in module 2. Next, I will come to module 3. Why? Because so that is little bit easy compared to module 1. So module 1, so 3 big derivation is there. Okay, 3 big derivation along with lathe concept is also there in module 1. Okay, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first
Yes,
I
sir.
will
Yes,
finish.
sir. As you wish.
What, Jagat?
As you wish, sir. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Okay, okay.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಲಭ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸರ್.
Okay. So first I will finish the forming chapter. Okay, forming. So forming chapter. So that is module 4 as well as module 5. Okay, module 4 as well as module 5. Once you finish the module 4 as well as module 5, then we'll discuss about module 2. So that is comes under metal cutting operation. Then module 3. Then module 1. Okay. So next, first we'll discuss about module 4. Okay. Module 4. So module 4 is total how many concept is there? Module 4. 4 concept is there. So this is introduction of forming process. Introduction, just the introduction of forming process. So next, forging, rolling, drawing and extrusion process. Forging, rolling, drawing and extrusion process. Total 4 concept is there in this module. Okay, in this module. So and please all of you take down the side heading. Okay, please all of you take down the side heading. So and you should maintain 150 pages notebook. Okay, 50 pages notebook. And you should maintain 50 pages notebook and take down the side heading whatever portion I covered, and some portion I telling that it is important, this portion is important for the final exam as well as internal exam. So please note down that concept also. Okay, so I will consider that book for continuous evaluation purpose. Okay, continuous evaluation purpose, and it carries some marks also. Okay, it carries some marks also. So please maintain 150 pages notebook. Understood, everyone? 50 pages
Yes, sir.
notebook you should maintain.
Soft copy notes, sir.
Huh?
So sharing the soft copy notes, sir.
So I will, this time I will not sharing the soft copy notes. So instead of that, I will share the textbook. Okay, so it is similar to that of notes only. Okay, it is similar to that of notes only. So I will share the textbook. Okay, soft copy of textbook. Okay, so
Okay.
if it is not possible to understand, then later I will share the notes. Notes is also there. First you should read the textbook. Okay, you should read the textbook. Why? Because in textbook all the details is available. In notes book not having that much of details. Okay, that much of details. So that at the end I will share the notes. Initially I will share the textbook soft copy. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Any objection?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so all of you read the textbook. I will share the soft copy of textbook. Okay, so please go through it. Next, total 4 concept is there. So in that, forging you already discussed. This forging. Forging is nothing but
No,
what?
sir.
Foundry and forging. So that lab we already studied, right? Forging as well as foundry.
Yes, sir.
Foundry and forging. Okay, so can you tell me what is foundry as well as what is forging?
Sir, forging means turning a circular metal to a like given design by hammering, and
They are
foundry
changing
means
shape on the
creating a
application
full
of heat.
gravity.
What, Ronak? Ronak, tell me.
Changing shape from the application of heat.
So both forging as well as foundry is used for giving purpose. What purpose we are using? For deformation of the material, giving shape to the material. Okay, that purpose we are using foundry as well as forging. So foundry is nothing but it is a casting process. Casting is nothing but supply heat to the material. Because of that heat, the material is converting from solid state to liquid state, and the same liquid state of metal is pouring into the mold cavity and allow it to solidify, you will get the required shape. Okay, you will get the required shape. That is called as foundry process. That is called as foundry process. And forging is nothing but heating. Same process. Heat is supplied to the material. Because of that heat, material is converted into red hot condition. Then applying the pressure with the help of hammer, and you will get the required shape of material. You will get the required shape of metal. So that is called as forging operation. Understood? Forging is nothing but supply heat to the metal, so it is converted into red hot condition, and apply the pressure with the help of hammering. Then you will get the required shape. That is called as forging. Foundry is nothing but so converting from solid state to liquid state, supply heat to the material. So it is converting from solid state to liquid state, and that liquid form of metal is pouring into the mold cavity and allow it to solidify. Then you will get the required shape. That is called as foundry. Okay, that is called as foundry. So in this chapter, this concept is there. Forging concept is there. Different types of forging, everything is there. Okay, so Smith forging, different types of forging: Smith forging, drop forging, and press forging. And forging equipment, defect in forging. So these are the concepts in forging. Okay, understood, right? Forging is nothing but what? Inayat is not there. Simply joining the meeting, right? Inayat. Nikhil.
Yes.
Inayat, tell me. Inayat is not there. Okay.
Sir.
What, sir? What is forging? What is forging? Nikhil? Sambram? Sambram?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is forging?
Forging is a process of hammering metal to get a required shape.
So, okay. So heat is not required.
It requires
With or
heating
without
the
the
metal.
application of okay, first heating the metal, then only we
Yes.
can change the
Hammering.
shape. Okay, so otherwise it is very difficult to for forging. There are two processes there: hot forging as well as cold forging. So cold is also possible, but it is not easy. Okay. Next one is rolling operation. So rolling process is nothing but two rollers are rotate and metal is passing in between the two roller. Okay, metal is passing in between the two roller, and you will get the required shape of metal. You will get the required shape, size of metal, size or shape of metal. That is called as rolling operation. That is called as rolling operation. So rolling process, angle of bite, and type of rolling mills, different types of rolling mill, and various of rolling process and rolling defect. Everything is there in second concept. And third one is drawing and extrusion process. So drawing is nothing but what is that? So supply pressure to the workpiece is nothing but, so that is two different die are using. So maintain a distance, two dies are separate at a certain distance, and metal is passing in between the two dies, and you will get the required shape of metal. Okay, required shape of metal. That is called as drawing operation. And extrusion is nothing but, so heated metal is placed in a die. Okay, heated metal is placed in a die and apply pressure with the help of hammer, and you will get the required shape. That shaped metal will be coming out from the die. So that is called as extrusion process. That is called as extrusion process. So drawing and extrusion is similar, and the difference is drawing, there is no hammering pressure. In extrusion, there is a hammering pressure. That is a difference between drawing as well as extrusion process. Okay. Next, various type of extrusion process also is we are going to study in module 4. Okay. So at the end, I will ask a question. Okay. You should answer. Okay. You should answer. So please concentrate in between the classes. Okay, everyone. Okay. So I will start the classes. So first one is what? Forming operation. So forming operation. So mechanical working process is the raw material is converting into a required shape by the application of external force. By the application of force, that is called as mechanical working process. So mechanical working process is nothing but converting from raw material into final shape, required shape of material with the help of external force. With the help of external force, that is called as mechanical working process. Mechanical working process. Next, what is metal forming process? So metal forming process is nothing but large set of manufacturing process in which the material is deformed plastically. Material is deformed plastically to take the shape of die geometry. Okay, die geometry. The tool used for such deformation is called as die or punch, etc. So can you tell me what is forming? So forming is nothing but converting from raw material into final shape by deformation of the material. By deformation of the material with the help of die as well as punch. With the help of die as well as punch. So that is called as metal forming operation. Metal forming operation.
What is that die and punch?
So die, I will tell you. So what is die is nothing but that is fixed devices. Okay, fixed devices. So that is nothing but supporting devices for the material. Okay, so that what is die, everything we are going to study in the next slides. Okay, next slide. So what is die, everything. Okay, so I will right now I will show one diagram. So here you can observe this is workpiece. Okay, so this is workpiece, and this is the required shape of die. Okay, so die opening. So the die opening is there. That is nothing but fixed structure. Okay, fixed structure, and what metal is passing in between the die. Okay, metal is passing in between the die, and you will get the required shape. Okay, you will get the required shape. So have you seen the pattern in foundry? Have you seen the pattern in a foundry? Have you seen the pattern in the foundry? No response. Okay. So understood, right? Die is nothing but required shape of metal. Okay. So required shape of standard devices. Okay, standard devices. So metal is passing in between the dies, and you will get the required shape. Okay. So punch as well as die is required for metal forming operation. Understood? So metal forming is nothing but deformation of the material and converting from raw material into final shape with the help of die as well as punch. With the help of die as well as punch. So tool used such deformations are called as die as well as punch, etc. So this is called as metal forming operation. Metal forming operation. So manufacturing process can be classified as casting process, welding process, machining process, mechanical working, powder metallurgy, and plastic technology. These are the manufacturing process, different manufacturing process. Okay, so in that 3 methods you already studied. Okay, casting. So casting is nothing but foundry technology. Okay, casting is nothing but foundry technology, heating the metal and it is converting into liquid state and pouring into the mold cavity, allow it to solidify, you will get the required shape. That is called as casting process. Next one is welding process. So welding is nothing but joining of similar or dissimilar metals by the application of with or without the application of heat and filler material. That is called as welding process. And machining process. Machining process is nothing but removing the excess of material. Okay, machining process is nothing but removing the excess of material with the help of lathe machine, milling machine, grinding machine. These are the different machining operations. Okay, so these are the manufacturing process you already studied. Any doubt? Metal forming operation. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Ishank? Ishank?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Metal forming.
No, sir.
Forming is nothing but deformation of the material. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, with or without application of heat is required, sir. You can write that
Oh, which one?
for the definition. It is deformed on application of external force, right?
Yes. So with
With
or
the
without the application of heat. So heat is required for every material. Okay, heat is required for every material. Without heat, it is very difficult to deform. Okay, so metal forming, there are two types of deformation is there. One is cold deformation and hot deformation. So that definition is not required. With or without the application of heat. Why? Because
okay, sir.
cold forging is also forming is also there, and hot forming is also there. Okay, so two types of forming is also there. Okay, so without heat also you can deform, with the heat also you can deform the metals. Okay, so that the heat concept is not required in the definition. So large set of manufacturing process in which deformation happens without also possible, with also possible. Okay, so you can write with or without the application of heat. Okay, with or without the application of heat you can deform the material. So, and to get the required shape. Okay, to get the required shape. Okay, and such deformation is happens with the help of die as well as punch. That is called as metal forming operation. That is called as metal forming operation. Understood? So next we'll see the classification of metal working process. Okay, metal forming process. So classification of metal forming process. General classification, it is classified into so many types. One is rolling, forging, extrusion, wire drawing, and sheet forming. These are the general classification. And rolling is nothing but, so two rollers are rotate and metal is passed in between the two rollers. Metal is passed in between the two roller, and you will get the required shape of metal. At the end, you will get the required shape of metal. That is called as rolling operation. And forging is the operation is I already explained. So what is forging? So heating a metal. So and apply pressure with the help of hammering. Okay, that is called as forging operation. Extrusion is nothing but, so what is extrusion? Extrusion is nothing but what? So heating a metal, and that heated metal is placed in a die and apply pressure with the help of hammer, and that metal will be come outside with the die opening, with the place of die opening. Then you will get the required shape. Then you will get the required shape. That is called as extrusion process. That is called as extrusion process. Wire drawing is a drawing process. So there is no hammering process. The heated metal is passed in between the two die, and you will get the required shape. That is called as wire drawing. And sheet formation of steel. So that is called as general classification. Okay. Next, based on the temperature of working, hot working, cold working, and warm working. Hot working is nothing but above the recrystallization temperature. If the metal is heated above the recrystallization temperature, that is called as hot working. So below the recrystallization temperature, if the temperature is below the recrystallization temperature, is called as cold working. And warm working is nothing but atmospheric temperature. That is called as warm working. So next, based on the applied stress, it is classified into so many types: direct compressive stress and indirect compressive stress, and tensile stress, bending stress, and shear stress. These are the different types of stress we can induce into the metal. Okay, we can induce into the metal. These are the general classification of metal forming process. So metal forming process is classified into two main categories. One is bulk deformation and sheet metal working. So bulk deformation is nothing but rolling operation, forging operation, extrusion operation, and wire and bar drawing operation. Wire bar drawing operation, sheet metal working, bending operation, heat drawing, shearing process, and miscellaneous process. So metal forming is classified into two types: bulk deformation as well as sheet metal working. So bulk deformation, every concept is there in module 4, and sheet metal working is there in module 5. Total metal forming is split into two, module 4 as well as module 5. Understood? So all operation you are going to study in module 4 as well as module 5. Okay, so once again I will explain this classification, everything, in the next class. Okay, next class I will explain the all concepts of metal form. Okay, so bulk deformation as well as sheet metal working. So till now, any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So afternoon, first hour also I will engage the class. Okay, instead of com. Okay, kinematics of machinery will start tomorrow. Okay, today afternoon also I will engage the class. So today afternoon class I will discuss about the different operation. Okay, different operation of bulk deformation. Okay, bulk deformation. Understood? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
ఈ కాదు